How to start a security company. With concerns about crime and terrorism on the rise, the demand for private security services is rising steadily to protect against robberies, violence, and other forms of crime. As both businesses and consumers are increasingly more aware of their need for security, knowing how to start a security company can be a viable business opportunity for entrepreneurs. However, starting a security company requires the correct training and licensing, as well as a sound understanding of business management and networking. Following all the right steps will make the process much more efficient and save you a lot of time and headache. Steps. 1. Check with your city or state to find out what certifications and licenses you will need to start a security company. Unless you've worked in law enforcement, you will need to gain work experience in the security field before you can start a security company. Most jurisdictions require you to have both a security guard certification and license as well as a private patrol operator's license if you're starting a security company. Find out which training courses are accepted by your state. Security guard training can be offered by state programs and private trade schools. Usually, you'll need to have a clean record and demonstrate adequate experience to qualify for a private patrol operator's license. 2. Enroll in an accredited security guard training program. It usually takes between 6 and 8 months to get your certification. 3. Participate in a physical training boot camp to enhance your physical abilities and reactions. Your local law enforcement agency can tell you which boot camps are acceptable. 4. Gain the necessary work experience to apply for your private patrol operator's license. A minimum of 12 months is recommended, depending on your country of residence. 5. Enroll in a course in criminal law at a local university, community college, or at an online university. Though this is not mandatory, it is helpful to have a sound understanding of criminal law in your jurisdiction so you know how to act and react in every professional situation. 6. Obtain your private patrol operator's license from the appropriate government department. In the United States, this is the Department of Consumer Affairs, but in other countries, this may be different. 7. Register your security company with your local police department. 8. Hire a lawyer to draw up contracts for both employees and clients. 9. Purchase liability insurance for your security company. 10. Hire employees who meet all legal requirements for security guards. 11. Market your security company to businesses and individuals. Use mailings, flyers, social networking, and face-to-face meetings to advertise your services. 12. Open your security company. Make sure all contracts are signed and each party understands exactly what his rights and obligations are in order to avoid problems and confusion later. Tips. Think about specializing in one form of security, for example, private patrol or bodyguards. Consider working during special events or at temporary venues. Short-term contracts can give you a lot of exposure and attract more clients. Warnings. Don't let your licenses, certifications, or insurance run out. Things. Security guard certification and license. Private patrol operator's license. Employee and client contracts. Liability insurance.